Prime Minister Dr Keith Rowley was scheduled to fly to Tobago this afternoon. However, after seeing the headline, quote, "Racist Election Plot," end quote, in the Daily Express, which reported that opposition leader Kamla Persad-Bissessar is supporting her colleague Roodal Moonial, former Minister of Housing and Urban Development, in the ongoing Estate Management and Business Development Company Limited court case, Dr Rowley decided to hold a press conference. He clarified that this issue does not involve the PNM, contrary to claims being made by the UNC. Joeshel Dann tells us more.
In a recent article by the Daily Express, opposition leader Kamla Persad-Bissessar defended former Housing Minister Roodal Moonial against corruption allegations related to an ongoing court case with the Estate Management and Business Development Company Limited. She dismissed the allegations as PNM election propaganda. However, Prime Minister Dr Keith Rowley has denied any involvement of the PNM.
Attempting to tell the population of Trinidad and Tobago, the children, the university students, the high school students, the pensioners, to tell them that these hundreds of millions issue that your state company is pursuing in the court, which has survived many blows in the court and prevailed, with the Privy Council throwing it out of there, that is a PNM matter as an election propaganda.
Dr Rowley also addressed claims made by the opposition leader that the PNM is attributing theft to the East Indian community. Dr Rowley said such accusations are unfounded, stressing that the law will determine the true parties responsible for any wrongdoing.
I want to say something here to the people of Trinidad and Tobago, especially the East Indian population. You have nothing to fear from the rest of the population. The law will determine who is police and who is thief.
He stated that the Embd initiated legal proceedings in April 2017 and that the recent events have no connection to the party. He emphasized that the issue is not about race, but rather the character of the opposition leader.
This has nothing to do with your race. It has to do with your personal character, because character matters. And nobody who is not listed in this matter should take any offense at the proceedings in the court or to carry any burden, because the court will determine who is innocent or who is guilty.
The Estate Management and Business Development Company Limited recently filed new allegations against Dr. Roodal Moonial, several contractors, and former executives in the multi-million-dollar cartel claim lawsuit brought against them by the state-owned company. Joeshel Dann, Tobago Updates Television News.